Hello and welcome back to Kerno Outdoors. Today we're going to add your workout of choice, but we'll look at the buttons first. Green is start, stop. Yellow is lap and back. Purple is the light, blue is up, and red is down. So first of all, on your watch, you want to go to the activity. So press start, which is the green button, and you want to go down right to the bottom where you find the add. And at this point is where you're going to add a new exercise. Now, say I wanted to be an inline skater. So we're going to go on to where we think it would be. So outdoor, and you'd slide down and you simply select the one you want. You can do a manual one, but there's inline skating, and you select it. And you click the green button to say, yes, add it to my workouts. And then it's there, added with your favorite workouts, the ones that you do. And to start it, you simply press the green button again, and it lets you choose indoor or outdoor. And that is it, as simple as that. Please subscribe to my channel. I am trying to get more followers, so I would appreciate it. Thank you.